Spiders. Deep in the forest, you might just come across a creepy, crawly spider. Spiders can be found all over the world, from Tombouctou to Uluru. Clever spiders can make silk, which they use to spin elaborate spider webs. Spider webs are great for catching a spider's dinner. Blowing gently in the wind, unsuspecting flies get caught in the spider webs. Some spiders use venom, like a snake, to paralyze their prey, but most spiders are harmless to humans. The spider then wraps the fly or other prey up with silk. That way, the spider can eat the prey later. Did you know that spiders are arachnids, not insects? Insects have 6 legs, 3 body parts, and antennae, while spiders have 8 legs, 2 body parts, and no antennae. They can have up to 8 eyes too, but they still don't have very good eyesight. Daddy long legs have really long legs. And some spiders are brilliant and white. Spiders can lay up to 1,000 eggs. That's a lot of babies when they hatch. Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.